Howdy everybody, and welcome back to our GameMaker Studio 2 Fundamentals. So you may remember me back a while ago, talked about how you could change the variables in another object by using the call function, by calling it with by putting the object's name first and then dot and then the name of the variable that we wanted to affect. Now I'm going to talk about a way that we can affect things in a slightly different way. So let's go back to our room here. And we're going to put object something into this room because we're going to be playing with it. And let's give you the sprite and declare a color equal to C_white. And add a draw event, draw_sprite, sprite_index. Actually, we're going to use _ext. Subimage 0, x, y, x, just 1, 1, 0, and this would be color_, and this would be 1. And we are going to be messing with that from here. So we come back to the step event here. And after we change our color, then we want to do object_something.color_ is equal to color_. So if we do that, then you can see our color on our other sprite changes every single time. But if we don't if there were a lot of variables that we wanted to change on this other one rather than just one, then we don't want to have to write object that's something after every single time we actually change something. So let's change it to with object_something. Then color_ is equal to other.color. Other being a keyword that relates back to the guy that is talking to this. So other being my color value here. So again, everything works exactly like we expect, except now we are able to use the with, which will make it significantly easier to change the color rather than having to always give it a value by using by typing in the names, which are somewhat long and cumbersome to type in. And of course, remember, other is referring to the guy that it's being called from. Alright, so I think that's everything you need to know to work with the with statement. So, good luck with your programming.